Hi everyone, I just want to show you a quick tutorial here on how to accept requests, decline requests, add blockout dates, and view any files that are attached to your lesson plans on Planning Center here. I know this is new for some of us and I just want it to go as easy as possible. So once you have set up your password in the first email that you get, there should be a link and a code for that. It's very simple if you follow the instructions. Go to accounts.planningcenter.online.com and go ahead and just put in that password and log in. Once you've done that, it should take you to this My Schedule page in the upper left corner. If it doesn't take you there, it's just right here, My Schedule, and it will show you any requests that you have pending or confirmed or anything that you have. So I'm going to accept this one, and for sake of showing you how to decline and what to do when you decline, I'm going to decline this one, and I'm going to say that I can't because I am serving in elementary. Now, I do ask that you please put a reason as to why you're not serving. It's just very helpful to us to know what's going on and why you're not able to. And if you're just like declining requests without providing a reason, we're going to wonder if you just want off the team or what's going on. So it's just helpful for us if you can decline it and then give a reason. Now, once you submit this request, it's going to go away. Just your confirmed request is going to show up because sorry, I need to delete that so I can show you how to do that in a second here. It's just the confirmed request is here. The declined request is gone because you've said you can't serve that date, so you don't have to worry about it. It's not on your schedule anymore. Now, if there's a date in advance that you know you can't serve, I ask that you would put that in as a blockout date. So you can, I'm going to be home for my sister's graduation on this day. So, oh my gosh, if I can spell graduation. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in, and now May 26th, that's there, that's blocked out, and that will show up for me or Missy or Benjamin or whoever is trying to schedule you, and they'll know that you're not going to be able to serve that day. So it's just proactive. It's like if you were to call or email us and let us know that you wouldn't be available. And that can be done by adding blockouts right here or by clicking blockout dates right up here. So that is very helpful for us as well. Now, to view the files, just go ahead and click on this. I should mention, maybe my computer's being a bit slow. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Hold on, guys. Okay, there we go. I should mention that the accepting and the declining of the requests can also be done through the email that you get. There should be an accept and decline button in the email. You can also sign up for text updates and you can reply accept or decline in the text to do it that way. Or you can download the app and you can accept or decline requests in the app. You can also view all of these files I'm about to show you in the app, which means you can view the preview video, the monthly overview, the song, the memory verse hand motions, the leaders only file, and each and every lesson plan. You'll be able to pull that up on your phone, which is very nice because there are times when you need to pull up the song on your phone and play it in a classroom. Or if I had volunteers at my last church with Planning Center, they would prefer to use their phone for the lesson plan instead of the paper copy. I still will provide a paper copy, but it gives you options there. So I highly, highly, highly recommend that you get the app. It's just, I think like Planning Center is what it's called. Let me check my phone. In both the Apple or Google store, it says services, but I think if you search Planning Center, it'll be like the first app, and it's got this little logo here with like the list or whatever that is. The Planning Center Services app icon is what it says. Yes, that is what it'll show up as in the store. Now, once you have been under My Schedule and you click on the plan, it should take you to this page. If for any reason it does not take you to this page, you're going to want to click on media in the left sidebar here. Okay, not the media up here, but this media. And this is going to have every single attachment you should need. If you just hover over this gray box, it will pull up the attachment and you can click on it. If it's a MP4 or MP3, it will pop up in this side tab here. or if it's a PDF and you click it, it should download it. You may need to accept any pop-ups depending on your computer settings. But like I said, the monthly song, it'll have both the MP3 so you can play it in your classrooms and the MP4 so you can learn the actions. It'll have the memory verse actions right here so you can see what those are for the month. Just watch those right there. It'll do the same thing with the preview video to tell you what it's all about, get some information via the monthly overview and the 4 leaders only file, and you can also get your lesson plan for the week. So babies and toddlers, if you just click on infant and toddlers lesson plan right there, it'll pull it up. And same with the twos, the preschool and the clubhouse lesson plan. You just have to hover over any of these boxes and then click the attachment to get it pulled up on the screen. So it should be very, very easy. And again, you can do any of this in the app. I highly recommend getting it. I also recommend signing up for text updates. It's a great reminder. I know that they don't work great for Verizon for whatever reason. I'm Verizon and I've only got a few of those texts. For some reason, it stopped sending. So, but even still, it's, if it goes through, then there's a reminder, and we'll still have email reminders as well. But if you don't check your email really often, that's a great option for you. So this is primarily how we're going to be doing all our scheduling. So if you have any questions or if there is any confusion, please ask me so we can explain it and just make sure you understand it. But otherwise, that is the basics of what you need to know for accepting requests, declining requests, adding blockout dates, and viewing any files that are attached to the plan, and doing that all online through the website. Thanks, guys. Bye.